Taking 2 steps forward but 4 steps back is frustrating, but sometimes it can't be helped. Progress is not always a straight shot. To get from point A to B, sometimes you have to first step to the side. My travels have taught me that rolling with the punches not only hurts less, but it can also lead to something magical. The main attraction is front and center for a reason, but don't forget to look around. Some of my best experiences have been unplanned, serendipitous offshoots of the main journey, where I researched little and happened along with zero expectations or preparation. You don't always need a passport either. Serendipity happens abroad and at home every day. If the main journey is closed off, or even if it isn't, take that side trip. Don't be afraid to ask, "Hey, what's that?" It may not be in the plans, but it can be a fantastic addition to your journeys. So let's take a little time and take some side trips of our own, right here at home. It's time for Raw Travel, Side Tripping the USA. Travel. For some, it's a luxurious escape, or maybe an adrenaline-filled adventure. But if you're like me, it's a precious opportunity to discover and to give back. It's time to get real. It's time to get raw. It's time for Raw Travel.